Hi, my name is Jay, and welcome to Learn Korean with Jay's Korean. Did you just finish the drama Startup and feel like there was someone in there in particular who just really deserved better? Well, you're not alone. On the Korean online platform Naver, there was a poll that asked, if I was Seo Dal Mi, which one would I choose? And out of almost 60,000 people who voted, 80% of the voters said that they would have chosen Han Ji Pyeong over 남도산. A lot of international K-drama fans refer to this as a second lead syndrome, meaning that you root for the second male lead who doesn't actually end up with the female lead at the end. Now let's learn how we say this in Korean. Today's expression we're going to be learning is 서브병, which is the equivalent to what you guys call the second lead syndrome. But first, let's go over what 서브남 is. 서브, as you can probably tell from the pronunciation, means sub, a sub something. 남 comes from 남자, which means male or man. So 서브 plus 남 combined together translates to a second male lead. Now that we looked at 서브남, we can now look at 서브병. 병 can mean a sickness or a disease. In this case, it's sort of a slang used informally and casually. This might be a bit random, but the first thing that comes to mind that's equivalent to this phrase in English is something like Bieber fever. We add the word fever to indicate obsession or supporting or rooting for someone. Just as we say second lead syndrome or something plus fever, we add the word 병 to get 서브병, which translates to second lead syndrome. One more set of words related to this that I can quickly teach you in this video are 남주 and 여주. We referred to the second male lead as 서브남. Then what do we refer to the male lead by? We say 남주, which is short for 남자 주인공. 남자 주인공, 남주. 남자 we already said was male or man, and 주인공 means the main character, the protagonist. So it means the main male lead. Similarly, if you say 여주, this means the female lead of the drama because 여 stands for 여자, 주 stands for 주인공, 여자 주인공, the female lead. Keep in mind though, in terms of context, not only are these terms more informally and casually used, 남주 and 여주 are also terms usually only used for dramas with romantic relationships or couples that people root for, and they aren't necessarily interchangeable words for female character or male character. So to summarize, in the drama Startup, Han Ji Pyeong is the 서브남 or 서브남주. 남도산 is referred to as 남주, 남자 주인공, and 달미 is the 여주, 여주, 여자 주인공. Before we end, let me give you one full sentence example where you can use these words you just learned in your own conversations. 나는 이 드라마에서 남주보다는 서브남이 더 좋아. 나는 이 드라마에서 남주보다는 서브남이 더 좋아. 남주보다는 서브남이 더 좋아. And that is it for today's video. Please feel free to ask if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!